Okay, I also wanted to mention the moon is waxing again. It was a new moon, now it's a waxing crescent moon. And right now the orientation of the moon in the sky is kind of like this. It used to be this. So, my understanding, I know I was a little confused because I thought it was rotating clockwise, and then sometimes I thought it was rotating counterclockwise, but I'm pretty sure it always just rotates clockwise because it was like this. Now it's like this, and something tells me before it sets it's going to be even like this, but I'll continue to observe it and confirm it for myself, and feel free to join me. And my challenge to you is, it's one thing if you want to think that the moon is reflecting light from the sun when it looks like this, because let's say the sun is here, the moon is there, you think the sun is shining on the moon and then reflecting back to Earth. That's somewhat understandable, but what about when it starts to do this? So that right now, is the sun down here? By the way, the moon is supposed to be, I think, a quarter of so the diameter of the moon is supposed to be a quarter of the diameter of the Earth. That means the Earth would throw a huge shadow. So did you realize that, at least in my opinion, if that spherical theory were true, which I know it isn't, but if it were true, then we should have a lunar eclipse every night. Think about it. The shadow of, and if you want to see what I'm talking about, you can look up pictures of the moon supposedly passing in front of the Earth, which NASA has posted, and you can see what I'm talking about. There should be a lunar eclipse every night if that spherical theory was true, but of course, I'm not into spherical theories like that. And again, let's just see how far that moon rotates, and before it goes over the horizon, and blessings. By the way, people say you can't believe everything you see on the internet. Look outside at the moon. That's not looking at the internet. That's looking at the moon in the sky. Can you believe everything you see in the sky? Because God says in Genesis 1, let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. Let them be for signs and seasons and days and years. And in my opinion, when the moon goes from here to here and here, and it rotates clockwise like that, it's a sign, and it's saying, hey, I'm not really reflecting light from the sun. I couldn't possibly be. What do you think, the sun is down here now? Anyway, that's my opinion, and bless you.